Hello everyone, welcome to MMD Oral. Today's topic EGDIS. In this tutorial we will learn look ahead setting or guard zone settings. Let's begin the topic. EGDIS shall give an alarm or indication as selected by the mariner if within a specified look ahead time set by the mariner. One ship will cross the boundary of a prohibited area or of a geographic area for which special condition exist. As per IMO performance standard for EGDIS, the EGDIS look ahead function searches for approaching hazards to navigation as defined by vessel safety contour setting. On most EGDIS, the checks is conducted only against the data in the largest scale band ANC available in the sync. Two sorts of warning are generated through the look ahead function. First, alarm and second, indication. In an EGDIS, an alarm is an audible and visual alert which require immediate attention. An indication is an alert which is visual only. An EGDIS alarm or indication should also be generated as the vessel approaches a larger to danger navigation. Now, setting of guard zone or look ahead setting. From here you can see setting the appropriate length of guard zone is extremely important as it should give to navigator time to investigate the alarm and take appropriate action before the potential hazards is reached. In all cases, the navigator should calculate and insert into the voyage plan the length of guard zone to be used based on the likely maximum speed over the log. If I explain you roughly, in a confined channel where a vessel will always be very close to shoal waters, a very short setting 30 seconds to 1 or 2 minutes may be appropriate to avoid excessive alert. In coastal water, a setting of 12 to 15 minutes should be sufficient to give adequate warning to the OW, while a longer setting 30 minutes to 20 minutes or 45 minutes depending on the company policy will be more appropriate when on open transit. So basically, look ahead zone gives alarm so that navigator can avoid danger in appropriate time. So guys, I will be present with another new topic. I have posted many topics related to your EGDIS and examinations. You can watch, link is given in the description. And to support me, subscribe my channel and comment below if you need any other topic. Thanks for watching, guys.